So you have written a new song. What should you do next? First, you need to understand music copyright and publishing, and it's a tough nut to crack. Copyright is the most important asset you have as a musician, and understanding its concepts can turn around your career and make you more money. Publishing is the act of commercially leveraging music of composers and songwriters and getting them paid for it. This can be done by writers themselves or by an assigned representative, a publisher. There are three basic types of publishers. The first is described as an administrator. Usually an individual or small company, they provide a service for a small commission to the songwriter by handling all aspects of the registration, licensing, and collection processes. However, they do not normally pay advances and usually do not offer any creative services. The next level of publishers are called independents. An independent offers the same administration services as an administrator, but also provides creative services and offers competitive advances to songwriters. Their client lists would usually be made up of mid-level artists plus talented songwriters and producers. Most big stars align themselves with the third type of publisher, called a major. Major publishers like Universal, Warner Chappell, Sony, BMG, and EMI pay millions of dollars in advances to the songwriters and artists in order to maintain their market share. Publishers are incentivized to exploit the works they represent because they receive a share of the copyright or control over it. The share attributed to the publisher varies in different domains, with the standard in the USA being 50% of the composition and 33.33% in the Netherlands. What does a music publisher actually do? Music publishers are responsible for four basic areas of importance to a songwriter. Those areas are song registration, licensing, royalty collection, and creative matters. The registration process can sometimes be a boring and tedious job that only a publisher could enjoy. The publisher usually informs performance rights organizations about the new song and relays all the relevant information to them. Performance rights societies provide a service by monitoring, collecting, and paying out performance royalties to publishers and songwriters. Every country has at least one performing rights society. Your publisher also issues licenses for any use of your song, so you can later be paid through royalties. The royalties you receive can be performance, mechanical, and synchronization royalties. We will be explaining the types of royalties in separate videos. Song registration and licensing allows the publisher to collect the proper amount of royalties from all sources. Publishers can often spend a large part of their time attempting to pitch the song to advertising agencies, music supervisors who work in film and TV, and video game producers. The creative energies of a publisher can bring untold new opportunities to songwriters, both artistically and financially. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and connect with Cover World on Facebook.